Hi friends, this is Jasleen and you are welcome to my channel Jasleen Creations. Today my project is about how to make this very easy and beautiful card for Teachers Day with some handmade accessories. I will show you each process with step-by-step procedure. So let's get started. For this we need red yellow cardstock, pattern paper, double side foam tape, wooden embellishment, sketch pen, 10 mm multicolored strips, pencil, ruler, liquid glue. First I am taking this cardstock which measures 20 by 16 cm and just folding it into half and just creasing it using my scissor. So it's done. Now I am marking on 15 cm in both the sides. On other side I am just marking on the middle so that I can get the top part of my pencil. Now I am joining both the points with each other like this. Now I am taking my scissor and cutting the line which I have joined. Like this. So my base card is ready. Now I will decorate the top part using some multicolored strips. So add glue and connect the strip like this. So I am adding green, light green, yellow, blue strips together. You can decorate according to your choice. So the top part is done. Again I am adding glue on the bottom part and adding different color strips like this. So continue this process till the end. Now just cut excess strip from both the sides using your scissor like this. So it's done. Now I am taking this brown paper which measures 8 by 6 cm and just cutting it in a zigzag manner to make it like a sharpened pencil. So now I am just adding this paper in the upper part of the pencil like this in order to pretend it like a pencil. So add glue and connect like this. Cut excess paper from both the sides. Now I am adding a small triangle on top of it. So it's done. Now I am taking one black strip and connecting it on the bottom part of the pencil to make it more real. So just add glue and connect like this. Cut excess strip. I have also added one white 3mm strips beside this. Now I am taking this lemon yellow card paper which measures 5.4 by 4 inch. So I am dividing it into 4 parts just by marking it on 1.2 by 1.2 by 1.1 by 0.5 inch from the 4 inch side. Similarly mark on other side. Now just join the points using your ruler like this. Again I am marking on 1.8 by 1.8 by 1.8 inch and dividing into 3 equal parts for other side. Now join these points using your ruler. Now I will cut the bottom part of the paper like this in order to pretend it like a table. So cut it by using your scissor. So it's done. Now I am just folding the bottom uncut part in upward direction by using my ruler like this. Also I am folding the top and middle part so that I can connect it perfectly with my base card. So my table is ready. Now add glue and connect it with your base card. I have also created small rectangles for the table drawers which measures 4 by 1.5 cm approx. So add glue and connect like this. So my table is ready. Now I am connecting one black board in the middle part which measures 8 by 5 cm approx. I have also added one white border around this. So add glue and connect like this. Now it's done. I am also adding one sentiment Happy Teachers Day in the bottom part of the table. You can create your own design accordingly. Now add glue and connect like this. So it's done. I have also added a double-sided foam tape in the top center part of the table so that we can connect our chalk, duster and some books. For the duster, I have just added some cotton on the top of the small black cardstock. And in the similar manner, I have decorated some books using pattern paper. Now add glue and connect like this. So my inside decoration is done. Now for the outer part, I have just added some wooden embellishment. You can find this embellishment in any craft store or in any online site. So just add glue and connect like this. So my pencil card is ready. Isn't it beautiful? My project is done for today. Hope you like my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. And don't forget to click on the bell icon for more updates. See you next time. Bye.